Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to create stunning faceless videos using Canva. Whether you're camera shy, want to keep your content anonymous, or simply love the convenience and flexibility of graphics-based videos, this step-by-step guide is for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to put together compelling videos. No filming required, using only Canva and a few clever tools. So let's dive right in and start creating. First, let's head over to Canva. You can do this by opening up your favorite web browser and typing in canva.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're new to Canva, don't worry, it's free to sign up and the interface is very user-friendly. Alright, now that we're on Canva's homepage, the next step is to click that purple Create a Design button. It's usually located at the top right corner. Clicking this button opens up tons of different design options, but for making faceless videos, I recommend selecting Presentation. Why presentations? Because they're perfectly sized for most video platforms, and their format makes it easy to sequence visuals, text, and audio without any actual footage of yourself. Think of it like creating slides for a talk, but instead, each slide becomes a scene in your video. With the presentation format selected, Canva will now prompt you to pick a template. Don't rush this part. A good template is like a skeleton for your entire video, giving you style, structure, and consistency. Browse through the options and select one that fits the mood and message of your video. For example, if you want a clean, modern look, go for something minimalist. If you're aiming for a playful vibe, maybe choose something with bold colors and graphics. Remember, you can customize everything later, so just pick something that feels close to your vision. Once Canva loads up the template in the editor, this is where the fun really begins. You get to edit and add your own content. Double-click on any element to change text, swap out images, or insert icons and shapes. You can drag things around, resize them, and really make the presentation your own. Take your time here. The goal is to organize your content so it flows logically and keeps viewers engaged. If you want to emphasize key points, try using larger fonts or contrasting colors. Don't worry if your first draft looks messy. Tweaking and adjusting is part of the process. Next, let's talk about audio. If you've prepared a narration or background music, it's super easy to add it in. On Canva, just look for the Uploads panel on the left and drag in your audio file. Once it's uploaded, you can drag it onto your presentation. Adding narration helps guide your viewers' attention and makes your video feel much more personal, even if you never appear on screen. But what if you don't have a recorded narration ready? Here's a cool trick. You can actually transform your text into a voiceover using Canva's Magic Write feature. Click any text box in your presentation and look for the Magic Write or text-to-voice option. Canva will generate a natural-sounding voiceover, male or female, your choice, that matches the pace and tone of your slide. It's almost like having your own virtual narrator. This is perfect if you don't want to record your own voice or need a quick solution, and the result sounds surprisingly real. And just like that, you've built a complete, engaging faceless video using Canva. Once you're happy with everything, your visuals, your timing, your audio, all you have to do is export your presentation as a video file, and it's ready to share with your audience. So there you have it, a simple, stress-free way to make high-quality videos without ever stepping in front of a camera. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, leave any questions you have down in the comments, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create.